Kapatid ni Adela? Sa kapatid ni Adela May? Marsha. April. It's about time. Dito na pinagsabay ko na. We really need a Cebuana.
Sino hawakan niyo ng mic?
Hawakan na naman namin. Hawakan na.
Hawak ko ang beat.
Yes, hawak pang beat.
Okay, April, how do you feel after, the crown?
I'm feeling great. I am so happy. I'm so happy. And I just can't wait to represent Philippines and hopefully to bring the first ever crown as your
Finally.
Miss Charm. Diba? So, parang I'm looking forward. I'm so excited because they said that the pageant will be on December. So,
Sabay kay Bella no December
Oo.
din, no?
Yeah. They said daw, pero like, they're not yet sure. Let's see. Abangan. So I hope you guys will continue to support me.
Of course! Ikaw pa ba? Di ba?
How was it like meeting the reigning Miss Charm title holder from
She
Venezuela?
was so beautiful and tall. I was like amazed with her beauty. So, ayun, she's so kind. And then I'm looking forward also to, get to know more about her.
I know it's very early, and you just been crowned, pero as early as now, how do you plan to strategize?
Of course, I need to set some, game plan along with my team because it's a collaboration. So we need to, think on how can we take home the first ever crown as your Miss Charm. So yun, mag-isip pa kami. And of course, magbibigay kami ng hint for you guys. And if you have any suggestions on paano natin makukuha yung first ever na crown sa Philippines, so let us know.
Grabe kung kami pa magsasuggest para nakakahiya na sa performance sa pinakita mo ng MUPH 2026. Nakita mo naman siguro yung Instagram feed namin kung ano pinagsasabi namin nung nagpe-perform ka, di ba? Ginulat mo kami nung swimsuit, taka nung long gown. Mas lalo nung Q&A, talagang pinatunayan mo yung mga bashers mo yung Q&A. Promise.
All your comments, messages. Thank you so much. I can really feel it. Yung buong arena din. Oh my God,
Di ba?
it's so amazing.
Sabi ko nga wala kang hakot na fans pero yung naturally sumisigaw yung mga fans nung pag ikaw lumalabas. So we think,
Shock din ako.
di ba?
Like, I was like,
Saan nanggagaling yun?
sila.
O di ba? Parang hakot fans ka but you bring that performance with you sa Charm. Feeling namin talagang kakabugin mo ang Miss Charm talaga.
Let's go. Diba?
Going back to Singapore, a year-long break.
Yes, I think so. I need to, the preparation, diba? It's already like May. And then I need some preparation and game plans on paano represent natin ng mabuti at ma-take home natin yung crown sa Philippines.
So leave of absence lang, hindi naman resign.
Let's see. Yes,
Hindi ko
I
naman
need
understanding impossible.
very understanding.
He wouldn't let you go away just
Yeah,
like that.
so let's see.
She's a gem. They can't let her away.
How
Di
does
ba?
it feel? Kasi this is your comeback. Tapos with a crown na, tapos will represent the Philippines internationally finally.
I think I felt like everything has been aligned. All my transformation, my growth, the process, it's, nagbunga siya na worth it ang lahat because I've earned the crown.
So backstage, pinatangkita kayo din ng tao. What was going through your mind?
Of course, I know that I did my best to win the, Miss Universe Philippines, but then maybe God has another plan for me. So I was thinking that kung ano lang yung ibigay ni Lord, like, let's open our arms to, accept it and just trust Him na may plan talaga siya. And yun, hopefully, maybe this is the sign na ma-take home natin yung crown.
We're so excited for you, April. Sobra. Alam mo yan right from the start.
Good luck, 6 years in the making.
Diba? Thank you
Good luck,
so much.
April.
But no
So,
words.
guys, what was your reaction?
Grabe nung lumalabas ka,
Grabe.
hiyaw kami ng hiyaw, na wala kami talang boses after ng MUPH. And I promise,
Ako very surprised sa Q&A talaga.
as in wow.
Wow, as in wow.
Hmm.
Yes, agree.
Tapos yung gown pa na inukot-ukutan mo yung na letter 8, ay number 8, di ba?
S lang yun, letter S.
Eh, yeah, letter S.
So I did everything, same routine as I joined my previous pageant pa. So yun
Ganda,
talaga yung
galing.
post ko. It was my signature post actually way back 20, no, it's actually 2015.
Pero kinumpare nila yung video ng 2020 versus yung 2026. Ang layo talaga. Yung sa TikTok na nagte-trend na kinumpare nila yung compile na ano. But I guess you really amaze us nung Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Kasi sinurpresa mo talaga kami ng bonggang-bongga.
Galingan mo ha.
We're so happy. We're rooting for you all the time.
Siyempre, pupunta kayo ha.
From not being your fan to becoming your fan, di ba?
Pupunta kayo. Oo nga, sabi nila. Hindi naman. Pero like, parang nagiging ano siya, parang daw akong Disney princess.
Yeah.
Pero galing mo, April. Grabe, that night.
Thank you so much, guys.
As a chair fan.
Oh, yes. To all my supporters out there, thank you so much for non-stop supporting me, for believing in me, and hopefully, hindi ko kayo tumigil. Kasi ito na to, I'm representing Philippines, mag-shout na ako ng Philippines, and hanggang dulo, sana po, supportan niyo po ako for representing Philippines for Miss Charm. So, yes, this upcoming December daw. So, ipakita natin yung pagiging Filipino natin for being a pageant fans as well. Because for sure, they will love it na being supportive tayo. Mabuhay tayo mga Pilipino.
Thank you, April.
Sample.
daw.
April Smith.
Oh my gosh. Ano ba? April Smith, Miss Charm, Philippines!
Ah!